5 best free AI image generators will blow your mind. Images are really important in the digital world because they catch people's attention. So, there is a big need for good quality pictures. Because of new AI technology, we can now use tools to easily make beautiful pictures. In this video, we will talk about the best 5 free AI image generator tools that are changing the way we create and improve pictures. So, let's get started. 1. deepart.io. deepart.io is a website that uses artificial intelligence to transform your photos into artistic styles inspired by famous painters. deepart.io is a great computer program that can turn regular pictures into amazing artwork. It uses computer programs to study pictures and add artistic touches to make them special. deepart.io is a tool that allows you to use different filters and make changes to create lots of different artworks. There are many options to choose from, so you can create anything you can think of. 2. RunwayML. RunwayML is a program or software that can help people create and design things using artificial intelligence. RunwayML is a helpful tool that uses artificial intelligence to do more than just make pictures. People can try out different computer programs that use artificial intelligence to create or change pictures. RunwayML is a program that makes it easy for artists and designers to create beautiful things using pre-made templates and a simple interface. 3. Artbreeder. Artbreeder is a website where you can create new pictures by blending different images. Artbreeder is a tool that uses technology and biology to create really impressive pictures. By mixing and combining different pictures, people can make new pictures that have some features from their original pictures. This special way of making art makes different and interesting artwork. If you want to create pictures of people or wild places, Artbreeder can help you try different things and come up with lots of new ideas. 4. NVIDIA Gone Paint Studio. NVIDIA Gone Paint Studio is a tool that helps people create pictures and artwork using a special computer program called a Gone. Gone Paint Studio is a tool created by NVIDIA that uses special technology to make and change pictures quickly. This tool helps people draw on a picture and change things or add new things easily. Gone Paint Studio allows you to easily change colors, remove unwanted things, or add new things to a picture. 5. Deep Dream Generator. Deep Dream Generator is a computer program that creates interesting and unique images. Deep Dream Generator is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to create pictures. It mimics the way your brain produces dreams when you're sleeping. This tool can make pictures look strange and dreamy by making the patterns and shapes in the picture stand out. Deep Dream Generator lets you make beautiful and otherworldly pictures easily. You can change lots of settings and add different effects. Conclusion. AI tools for creating and improving pictures have changed the way we make better pictures. These tools can change pictures into beautiful art or make new and special pictures. They let people be super creative. If you like to be creative, some good computer programs can help you make new pictures. They use AI technology and are called deepart.io, RunwayML, Artbreeder, NVIDIA Gone Paint Studio, and Deep Dream Generator. They can do cool things and might give you some new ideas. Try it out and discover the possibilities of using artificial intelligence to help you make images for your creative projects. Thank you for watching.